All right, so just a quick review of Lone Palm here, just to make sure this might work for you guys. Um, this is what I'm seeing, and if this works, then we'll go. Because I know this job is go, 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 but we don't have I don't have the angle of this yet. But we're going to need adjustability anyway, because even if we try to get it within a certain amount, shimming and all that might not work. It's going to be a thatched roof, I guess, or whatever. So this is kind of what I came up with. It'll just be a plate system. It'll be 3 sets of 1/4 inch plates. One set will mount to the back of the sign, and the other part will mount to the wall. So this gives us, assuming, let's just start a starting point of 45 degrees, which seems reasonable. Um, this gives us an adjustability of, you know, what is that? That's what is that? Yeah, that's 32 degrees there. And then this will give us an adjustability all the way up to, I doubt it's that's steep, but anyway, so I think that would work. Not to mention it's very simple to put together. It'll just be 1/4 inch back plates and a plate that goes onto the back of the sign, and then it'll just be 3 plates that get routed that attach to the bars. So it'll just be an even number cut bar, 2 2-bys, put them onto the table, just put these guys end cap like that, and then we just go ahead and weld those up. And then once you have those on there, go ahead and mount the parts that go to the back. There'll just be 1 in the middle and 2 on the ends. Go ahead and mount all 3 of those plates on there, and then go ahead and mount the middle plate onto the sign, and then lay it on there and attach it here, and then wherever this center bar lands is where it needs to be. And once that's there, it just basically self-centers, self-aligns. Let's just go ahead and burn that. You've got 48 inches or so in between here. Maybe put a piece of 2-by, I don't know, whatever, but I think that'll be enough. And then at which point you can just do through holes. Install could even do that call maybe out there on the site or something, and just do through holes, and then they can bring in their backer pieces that they need. Kind of going off of what's here, it's a lot easier and it's going to be a lot more straightforward than trying to cut these angles and trying to make this frame in real time and make sure it's square, and then you have to be on with your, there's no adjustability here. So I'm thinking if that works for everybody, I'm just giving everyone a little bit of time to digest it so we can get cracking as soon as possible. So if that works, I'll finish it up, put it into production.